G'day guys, I'm Jono and you're watching another episode of Alrock Adventures. Stay tuned, we'll tell you all about the Suzuki V-Strom250. That's something that you can hire if you want something that's a little bit more mild and not so intimidating like the DRZ 400. This is a perfect choice. So stay tuned, watch the video and see what you think. Everything from rainforest logging trails to fast-paced single trails like this, to beautiful wide open trails like this, or twisty roads like this. Experience the ultimate freedom on two wheels with the Suzuki V-Strom. From the Great Barrier Reef coastline to the rugged trails of the Daintree and the historic Outback tracks, this adventure riding is at its best. The Suzuki V-Strom is built for the journey, comfortable, reliable and adventure ready. Perfect for solo riders or two-up touring, this bike handles anything from the smooth highways to remote dirt tracks. Cairns, the Tablelands, Cape Tribulation and beyond. Whether it's a weekend escape or multi-day adventure, we've got you covered. Ready to hit the road? Book your Suzuki V-Strom rental with Alrock Adventures today.